Behind this grand entrance is a massive food production operation where every stage of biryani manufacturing is carried. Once the washed rice fills the water-filled cooker, whole aromatic spices are added one by one.
Salt is carefully dosed to season the rice during cooking.
The rice is cooked under controlled conditions until it reaches the required biryani texture. Once properly cooked, the rice is drained and prepared for final biryani assembly. The chicken is trimmed and prepared into consistent pieces for even cooking. Uniform portioning helps the chicken cook consistently across every production batch.
Garlic paste is added next for its deep, savory aroma.
Yogurt is added to form the rich base of the chicken marinade. Fresh ginger paste is added to the chicken seasoning mixture. Measured salt is added to balance the chicken marinade.
Red chili powder is added for the required heat and color.
Turmeric is added separately to provide color and earthy flavor. Ground coriander contributes another layer of spice and aroma. The standardized biryani spice blend is added according to the production recipe. Fresh green chili is added for additional aroma and heat. Lemon juice adds acidity to the chicken marinade. The industrial mixer gently coats every chicken piece evenly.
The onions pass through mechanical peeling equipment.
The peeled onions are sliced uniformly for consistent browning. Measured cooking oil is added to the industrial masala vessel.
The sliced onions are added directly into the heated oil.
The onions are cooked until they reach the required golden brown stage. Tomato puree is added to develop the rich masala base.
Salt and controlled water are added to establish the required masala consistency.
The masala is cooked until it reaches the required consistency and aroma.
The marinated chicken now enters the cooked masala base. The chicken cooks thoroughly in the seasoned masala. The fully cooked chicken masala moves to the final biryani assembly line. The cooked basmati rice enters the final assembly vessel. The cooked chicken and masala are distributed evenly over the rice.
A second layer of rice covers the chicken and masala. Fresh mint and coriander are added for their characteristic aroma. Golden fried onions are added as an aromatic finishing layer. A controlled saffron finish is applied according to the recipe. A measured ghee finish adds richness and aroma. The layered biryani now enters its final controlled dum cooking stage. Controlled heat and steam allow the rice, chicken, and aromatic layers to finish together.
After the final cooking cycle, the finished biryani is opened. The finished biryani is opened.
An experienced production chef checks the rice texture, moisture, and overall consistency before portioning. The finished biryani moves directly into the controlled portioning system. Each portion is measured and checked to maintain consistent serving weight.
The measured biryani portions are sealed in food-grade packaging.
Finished packs are grouped into shipping cartons for distribution.